Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn about proper noun. Before going to start, let us revise. Naming words are called nouns. Nouns are words that name people, animals, places or things. Examples: mother, father, school, book, table, cow, hen, etc. A general name is called a common noun. A noun that gives a general or common name to a person, place, animals or things is called a common noun. For example, a boy, a dog, a fort, a car. Let us learn about proper noun. A noun that gives a special or particular name to a person, animal, place or thing is called a proper noun. Examples: children, in your surrounding you can find different people, places, animals or things. Some of from them have special names such as Seema, Dr. Gupta, Mrs. Sen. These are the specific names of persons. Thus, they are proper nouns. Visava Garden, Mumbai, India. These are the specific names of places. Thus, they are proper nouns. Chetan, horse. Timmy, tiger. Coco, cat. These are the specific names of animals. Thus, they are proper nouns. Fast track, watch, LG, TV. These are the specific names of things. Thus, these are proper nouns. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. आवाज बाहेर यायले. States, countries and brands. Children, I have taken here 2 flashcards. Let us find a proper noun. We are from London. Here in this sentence, London is a particular or specific name of a place. Thus, it is a proper noun. Have you been to Delhi? Here in this question or sentence, Delhi is a specific or particular name of a place. Thus, it is a proper noun. Let us turn the flashcards. London, Delhi. Children, a proper noun always begins with a capital letter, whether it is in between the sentence. Children, let us see more about proper noun.
Special names. Proper nouns. We know that all names are nouns. Now, look at this cat. Its name is Tubby. Tubby lives with Johnny. Johnny is a boy. Tubby is the special name given to this cat. Similarly, Johnny is the special name given to this boy. So, we see that special names are given to some nouns. Special names are given to identify a particular person, animal, place, or thing. These special names are called proper nouns. Tubby and Johnny live in a building called Avalon Heights. They go for a walk on Masjid Road. One day, Nikki invites Tubby and Johnny to see the Taj Mahal. They go for a boat ride on the Yamuna River. Avalon Heights is the name of a building. Masjid Road is the name of a road. Nikki is the name of a girl. Taj Mahal is the name of monument and Yamuna is the name of a river. Avalon Heights, Masjid Road, Nikki, Taj Mahal and Yamuna are proper nouns. Days of the week such as Sunday, Monday are proper nouns. Months of the year such as January, February are proper nouns. Titles of books, newspapers and magazines are proper nouns. Names of organizations like the name of your school are proper nouns. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter.
Now children, let us see few more examples with pictures. Ricky is a name of a particular person. Pluto is a name of a particular animal. Red Fort is a name of a particular place. Honda City is a name of a particular thing. Simply, we can describe special names are called proper nouns. For example, Mumbai, Sunday, August, Diwali, Maharashtra Day, The Jungle Book, Rahul, Aditya, Meena. Here, Rahul, Aditya, Meena, these are the special names given to the people. The Jungle Book. Here, the Jungle Book, special name given to a thing. Mumbai. It is a specific name given to a place. Given to the place. This is how we learned about proper nouns. Let us stop here. We will meet into the next e-learning class. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.